catapulted into view by an electric surge of vintage grit and Cabover charisma. The 1978 Leyland Marathon to Cabover invites admiration with its towering cab and raw British haulage spirit. If your pulse quickens at the sight of industrial elegance, mechanical audacity, and timeless grit, then you've found your steadfast circle. Join our community where every Steel Torque story is celebrated, every classic revival is shared, and every subscriber keeps our heritage rolling, emerging as a tougher, smarter successor. The Marathon 2 was unveiled in 1977. To rectify the shortcomings of its predecessor, its updates included a raised and refined ergonomic cab that offered enhanced sleeper cab comfort and visibility, though ride quality and ventilation still tested driver endurance. Power came robustly via the TL12, a thoroughly reworked AECA V760 straight-six, producing a commanding 273 bhp, 203 kW, and endowed with rugged torque capable of sustained motorway pacing. It quickly earned a reputation as one of the quickest tractive units of its time, averaging over 45 miles per hour even across demanding routes, all while sipping 39.8 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 7.1 mpg, blend of agility and efficiency rarely seen in its class. Prior to the Marathon, the original model from 1973 was conceived under tight budgets, utilizing existing Leyland components and cabs. Its engine lineup included the Leyland L11, but heavy-haul dreams rested on the turbocharged TL12, while Rolls-Royce and Cummins power plants were offered for higher output. Despite its ambition and initial praise for performance, early models revealed weaknesses: underpowered heating, excess cab roll, brittle ride, and brake system flaws that prompted the revised design of the Marathon 2. By the late 1970s, however, international competition from Volvo and DAF overshadowed Leyland's efforts, and production wrapped by 1979, paving way for the T45 road train, which carried forward the TL12 and chassis DNA. Collectors now chase these rare Cabover titans for their rugged, industrial character and audacious design. Few remain in service. Those that survive command nostalgic reverence more than monetary value. While data on modern equivalents and prices is sparse, the Marathon 2 is often compared through its raw, uncompromising nature to the era's Volvo F88, Scania 110 140ths, and DAF 2800, with its core appeal lying in gritty, British engineering rather than Polish or refinement. This Cabover classic is not merely a via colace, a roaring statement of intent, born of necessity, shaped by grit, and destined for legend. Fuel your fascination. Subscribe and become part of a convoy where heritage roars louder than the highway, and where every subscriber keeps the engine of passion alive.